Well, show the name. Let them show them. That's water. This is water. They've been selling water.
Filling station reportedly selling water instead of petrol. Journalist Adeola Fayehun has accused a filling station of selling water instead of petrol to unsuspecting motorists. She shared a video of customers shouting at the filling station after it was discovered that their cars were allegedly filled with water instead of petrol. Some of the cars immediately developed faults after their cars were filled.
Pump it, let me see. Everything, all the tank, everything, water. Jesus, water, everything, water. Everything, water.
Yes, now.
Please, do it, let me see, please. Do the video, see, water. Water, see, water. What are you saying?
Well, show the name. Let them show them. That's water. This is water. They've been selling water. Now. This car from the sea. You know, and all these are water. They've been selling it into the water. This is my car. These are water selling from their noses.
According to the filling station management, water filled one of our storage tanks due to some technical issues. We discovered it came out of the pump, which was stopped immediately. The brand and communications manager of the company, Adeosun Azeez, added that the company rescue team from Lagos has picked up the affected vehicles for repairs. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe for more latest updates.